You are welcome. In this video, I'll show the first program how to write print hello world and how to execute this program. If you are new to Python and you are learning Python now, this is a channel where you can learn a lot of things. Just I'll show you like what are the things you should know about it. So I just go to browser. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please type Highblix tutorials in your YouTube. Then you can see that we have Highblix tutorials. So we have already have 100 videos. You can click here subscribe. You can subscribe to our channel. Later, so in order to work with Python, you can go to videos. You can see that lot of Python related videos. First you have to start with installation. How to install Python. If you are not yet installed, you just watch the video how to install the Python. Then how to start the Python, how to work with IDLE, then install Notepad++ as an editor. Then you check out all the basic programs. Then we have a day-wise program to learn the Python day by day. And we also have example programs like the one I'm showing here, and also small projects, Python small projects. So that will teach you like how to make a simple projects. So from that you will gain a lot of things. If you practice these projects, so later you can be able to make the bigger projects. So please subscribe to our channel and then start watching all the videos and learn Python step by step. As for this piece concern, I'll show you like how to do the first project. So the first thing is you need to start the Python. So you can start the Python here, Python. So this will start the Python and the command prompt. If you are comfortable with the command prompt, you can type the commands in the command prompt and you can execute the Python script. Right. So here is the command prompt. Let's say we want to show like print hello world. Right. When you execute this, press enter. That will print it. Means Python is working fine and your command is executed well and you get the result. Fine, let us leave the command prompt. We don't want to work in command prompt now. So execute that and let us work with the IDLE. So that is IDLE is the integrated development learning environment. So if you open learning environment, again you will get a command prompt here. So this is a Python integrated environment. Fine. You can also execute from the command prompt. You can write print hello world. So but first time if you come to the command prompt, you won't have this background and all. To get back the background, different colors and all, you go to options, configure IDE, and here is the font size. So we increased to 20. By default it's around 12 or 10. So we are increased to 20, therefore you can able to visible, and also in a mobile phone you can able to see the coding. So therefore we increase the font size here. To increase the font size, we can go there and we can choose the font size. Next is a highlight. In a highlight, we have a built-in theme. So if you click here, we have a dark theme, ideally dark. We selected the dark, therefore we'll have a color scheme here. So therefore select the same dark theme, so you also get the color. Fine, you execute it. Next is how to create a Python file. So in order to create a Python file, go to file menu, create a new file. So this is default editor, Python default editor. Here we can write the same command again, print hello world. Now you have to save this file. In order to save the file, go to file menu, say save as. Fine. Where you want to save, you need to select the path, which drive you want to save. Then what is the name? So let's say test1 or py1. What are the name you would like to give? Let's say test1 only. Let test1.py. Save. Now the file is saved. If the file is saved, you want to execute. To execute this, click the run button and then click run module. You can see that. So it will run in the shell, Python shell. So it will be executed over here. Hello world. So your first program is working fine. Please try this and then we can continue with the more print commands. So let's say print you are welcome to the Python world. So Python is a very popular language now. Its popularities keep on increasing day to day basis. So definitely in 2021 to 25, this is the leading language. Definitely there are good chances to get the jobs in Python. Therefore learn Python thoroughly and then try good job. Fine. So let's have one more statement. Print welcome to Highblix tutorials. So Control S to save and F5 to run. So when you run this, you can see that it's showing the output here. Hope you understand how to run your first program. If you're happy, so click the like button. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you.